Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the fresh food tray rail in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new fresh food tray rail. This tray rail is located on the right side of the fresh food compartment. It supports the fresh food tray, allowing it to slide in and out. The main reason to replace the tray rail is if it's broken, causing the tray to jam. To get to the part, we need to open both French doors. All right, I'm going to pull out the drawer, and then I'm going to lift it up, and we can remove it. Next, I'm going to remove the 3 crisper drawers by pulling them out, lifting up, taking away. Next, I'm going to remove the glass, lift it up, and take it with your both hands, slowly remove it out of the fridge. Next, I'm going to remove this crisper drawers frame assembly. First, we're going to lift up on the front end, and I'm going to slide it forward. Now we're facing a little tricky task again. I'm going to pull it forward and up, forward and up, and now we're going to remove it. Now we've got a couple of Phillips screws in these openings there, so I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to take them out. Now I'm going to pull this to the left, and I'm going to shake it. I'm going to push this nice screws out, slide it more, and then pull it towards yourself to disengage that back tab over there. And now we're going to disconnect this spark plug. There's a tab. Push it down and pull the plug apart. This is the old fresh food tray rail next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And now we're going to install the new fresh food tray rail. Start with the placing the tab at the back into the cutout. And next I'm going to plug this plug. Make sure it's in. I'm going to bring the rail next to the wall, and I'm going to secure it with a couple of Phillips screws. And now this monster structure goes back in. It's a little tricky. If you noticed, I put first the right side in, then slowly move the left side in. I'm gonna put it down and push it in all the way. So this will lock here. And now the glass goes back in. Careful. Place it on the frame, slide it all the way back, support it from underneath, and lower it down. Now I'm going to install the crisper drawers back in. This one, the right side will be a little tricky. So take your time, don't break anything. Slowly slide it in there, and angle it up and turn it, and then we can push it in. And this one, and the third one. And now we're going to install the drawer. And place it on the rollers there. And lift it up. Now we can slide it back in. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.